Hello, my lovely students and my dear viewers. How are all of you? This is Ms Ruchika welcoming you to her channel. In today's session of Ms Ruchika Speaks, we are going to talk about your upcoming exams. So, this small video I have made to thank my new subscribers and viewers who have been watching my video, who've been liking my content, and also I have made this video with a very important motive to help you decrease your exam stress and increase your exam performance. So, let's dive into the video and see what I have in store for you. In this session, I will be showing you 5 tips that ease your exam stress and will help you to score better. So let's dive into the video, and if you find these tips useful, do give it a thumbs up and try them for your coming term 3 exams. So the first tip that I would like to give you here is to not to unnecessarily panic about your exams. Exams is just like an opportunity that you have to showcase your understanding, to showcase your learning. So don't take it like a burden on your mind. Don't be scared of your exams. If you are having a lot of panic, if you are stressed out about your exams, then very obviously you will not be able to perform. So instead, it would be a good idea to focus your energy on preparing right. See, the confidence that you have in giving an exam comes only if you are well prepared. So prepared well, stay grounded, stay calm, and don't panic, and I'm sure you'll all be doing well. That's my tip number 1 for all of you. Now let's move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is to remove any sort of fear that you have in your mind regarding the subject of math. Remember, math is a very logical subject. It is a subject in which how much ever input you are giving, that much output you are going to receive. So don't really rely on the last minute preparation. Don't think that, within a week before your exams, if you start preparing, you are going to excel in it. Math is not such a subject. It really requires efforts and consistent and daily efforts, and it also requires a lot of practice. So to avoid that stress, don't rely on the last 1 week before your exams. Instead, focus your energy on every day. Plan your day, which topic, which lesson are you going to cover every day, and small portions you try to cover up so that it is not a burden on you and that you are able to have your total exam coverage covered well before your exams. So that is a sure shot formula for success. Formula number 3 to help you score better is to practice the most important questions. So I'm sure your teacher is giving you some sort of revision assignments, or she's giving you some sort of quizzes and tests. So all those important questions, all those important formulas that she's sharing with you, make sure you go through them very nicely and you cover all important topics. Very soon you are going to get your exam coverage. So try to practice all those important questions which are there. Surely your exam will have similar questions, so they're just going to change the numbers, but the concept, the method to solve is same. So don't forget to go through them before your exams so that you are confident in solving the questions during the exam. Another important tip that I'd like to give to all my grade 9 and 10 elite students giving the term 3 exam very shortly is that there are a lot of formulas, there are a lot of formula sheets that have been shared with you. So all those formulas I would like you to learn and memorize. A tip here would be that you put it somewhere near your study table or near your room where you obviously spend a lot of time, so that whenever you are passing through that formula sheet, you may write them on a sheet of paper or just make a chart out of it, listing all the important formulas and going through them on a daily basis. When you're going to do that, daily going through those formulas will help better retention in your mind, and you're not going to forget them on the exam day. So that will be really handy. That will save a lot of time in your exam in case the formula sheet is not provided. Next, and the most important tip here is, especially when you are doing a timed online exam, is that you have a timer following for each question. So I don't want you to be spending a lot of time on a question that you find difficult. So as a practice, you should be first solving those questions that you feel so confident about. Do them in the first go and then come back later when you have time to those questions where you feel stuck. In case you are spending a lot of time, more than 3 minutes, on a question which you feel is stuck, you'll be getting very less time for the other questions, which will again create a lot of panic in your mind. So go through the ones that you're confident first and then come back later to the ones where you are stuck in. That would save your time and it would avoid any sort of stress in your mind so that you complete your exam on time. Now, let me give you a bonus tip. We are already done with the 5 important pointers, but then a bonus tip always works. The bonus tip from my side is that once you finish your exam, just reserve the last 5 minutes for a good revision. Go through all the questions, go through all the answers in the last 5 minutes. Check, have you submitted all answers correctly? Have you selected the best possible options? So sometimes you have to just read the question well, analyze the information, and the answer somewhere lies in a math question. Always the answer lies in the question. So analyze it well, read it carefully, and don't make any sort of silly calculation mistake. I hope with all these tips and bonus remarks, you all are geared up for your coming exam and give your best shot. Let me know in the comment section how was this video, which is the useful tip that you're going to try for your exams. And from my side and Mathematics Made Easy team, we all wish you a very happy exam day. Bye bye.